Hello everyone, you have probably heard about Nigeria meat pie. What about Nigeria chicken pie? It's so on another all level. It is a perfect snacks, easy lunch and so satisfying. Let's meet the ingredients. You'll be needing chicken breast, unsalted butter in room temperature. All the ingredients will be in the description below as well. You'll be needing carrots. One carrot, one large carrot is fine, just dice or grate. Then we'll be using potato, one large potato cut into smaller size, then egg to mix your dough and other things. So in a pan, add vegetable oil or cooking oil of your choice. Go ahead and add onion. Let your oil be hot before you add your onion. It's going to give it extra flavor, extra aroma when you decide to add your chicken breast. So go ahead and add your ground chicken breast. Stir until everything is well prepared, like well cooked, like it changes color from pink to white. Then you go ahead and add your seasoning. Any seasoning of your flavor that you like. So I'm adding chicken flavor. Then I'll go ahead and add some black pepper. I like black pepper a lot in my recipe. It helps in digestion, so I like it a lot when I'm making something. When I'm making chicken pie, stir until all your ingredients is well combined, your seasoning is well combined with your chicken. Keep stirring so it will not get burnt. You know we have not add any other liquid to it, so you keep stirring. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. You don't have to add too many salt, just salt that you like, not something too much. But I'm using a quarter teaspoon of salt for this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and combine until everything is well combined with my chicken. If you are new here, you're welcome. I like making simple recipe. So I'll go ahead and add my potato, my veggies generally, which is my carrot, my potato. Then I'll stir this together with my chicken. Then like I steam it together, it give it another fine fresh flavor. It smells so good in the kitchen. Add any herbs of your choice. I'll be using dry parsley for this chicken breast. It gives it a fine flavor. If you've not tried, please try it. You're going to love that fresh, that smell of the herbs into your chicken. Remember to like this video. It's very, very important. You encourage me when you like my videos, and you also encourage me when you leave comments. Just leave comment in the comment section, though I'll know what I'm not doing right and what you want to know more about this recipe. Stir and add some water so it will be properly cooked. I'm using like half cup of water. Cook until it's almost dry. While the chicken is cooking, let's start preparing our flour for our dough for our chicken pie. So I'll be using 5 cups of flour. I'm going to sieve this. Just be patient. Try to sieve it in case there's particles or some particles inside your flour that you don't even notice. So just try and sieve your flour before you start making any recipe. And this is the proper measurement of making a flour, just the way I show it in the video. It's not the one that will go up. That is the proper way of measuring your. Always level your cup when you are measuring. So we are going to make our thickener. I'm using 1 tablespoon of flour, save flour just the way I showed earlier. Add some water, then mix it until everything is well smooth, no lumps inside your mix. Then add it into your chicken breast, your cook filling, to make it more thick and more creamy. So this is how to make it. Then allow it to cook. After you stir it, allow it to cook like 5 minutes. By that time it should be ready. So let's go back to our flour that we are preparing. I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of salt, then baking powder. I'm using 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Combine all your dry ingredients together to get a perfect dry ingredients for your chicken pie. My family really like a perfect dough, so I'm going to add my unsalted butter. I'll write the grams in the description box, like a 3 stick of unsalted butter, but room temperature. I'll put everything in the description box. Please remember to check all the ingredients in the description box and all the right measurement. Combine everything until it looks just like this, because it's very rich in flavor, which is rich in butter. Add 1 egg. I'm using room temperature. I like vanilla extract a lot, so I'm going to add vanilla extract. I'm using 1 tablespoon as well. Combine it. Is going to give that dough a fresh, fine aroma, which I really love. Go ahead and add some milk. I'm using a quarter cup of milk. You can also replace it with water, or you can use both, whichever one is fine. Mix until you get a dough. Let's check our chicken sauce that we are preferring, which is our filling. Our filling is ready. Let's just stay and turn off the gas and allow our filling to be cold before we start preparing our chicken pie. By then, our dough should be ready as well. So we just start preparing our chicken pie. Please do not hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question about this chicken pie recipe. So let's start preparing our meat pie properly. Our dough is ready. This is after 20 minutes. I don't like leaving it too long in the refrigerator because my spouse don't like it when it's in the refrigerator. He like it when you mix your dough and you just prepare your pie directly. So you don't like that one you put in the refrigerator. If he is going to be very tough when you are eating it, he'll still like it very creamy in your mouth when you are eating your chicken pie or your meat pie. So roll your dough until everything is very flat. Then use your meat pie cutter, or you can use any round shape of your choice to cut it. Or if you want to use something very sharp to cut it, just go ahead. As far you get that round shape that you are looking for, then you start filling in. But before we fill in our chicken filling, we are going to brush the edges of the dough with egg wash. Add your chicken filling until it's much the way you want it. Then seal up the edges just the way I'm doing in this video. Seal it. You can use fork, you can also use your thumb, any shape you feel like doing, or you can also use the meat pie dough cutter to do that as well. So dip a fork into it, not too deep, but just to bring out the hair when you are baking it, so it will not burst. So that is the purpose of this. Then put it in a tray. My kids can't wait for this chicken pie. They are already standing by. Before you put your chicken pie in the oven, you still need to add a egg wash on the surface, all the edges. This will make your chicken pie golden color when you bake it in the oven. And there's one quick tip that you need to know. You need to preheat your oven before you started cutting your pie. Any pie, chicken pie or meat pie. Make sure you preheat your oven first and bake this in 350 Fahrenheit. I baked this for 25 minutes. You can also use 30 minutes. Our chicken pie is ready. I can't wait to try this. If you have questions, please leave it in the comment section. Please remember to like this video, share, and subscribe. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel to see more delicious Nigerian recipe. More recipe are coming. I've been so busy lately, but I'm still going to add more recipe for you guys. For more video, check my channel. There are so many videos you can see on my YouTube channel, and please follow me as well. Hope to see you next time. Stay safe.